Hey, this is Mandy, aka One Woman, One Wheel. Today we're regripping the OneWheel Plus. Supplies you're going to need are a carpenter's pencil, a ruler, a good strong box cutter, an old cardboard box to protect your cutting surface, a hairdryer, and your grip tape of choice. Let's get started. Since I was working with this My Little Pony grip tape from Enjoi, I wanted to make sure I cut it right the first time because if I messed it up, I would need to buy another one. This was a cut once, measure 5,000 times project. I started by measuring the OneWheel's footpad surface. Easier said than done since the Plus has this nice sleek curved design at either end. I decided it was better to cut the grip tape too big and have to trim it down later than to overcut it the first time. With that in mind, I marked the cuts with my carpenter's pencil. This is a good strong pencil that won't break when you use it on the harsh surface, and you can still see the markings on the black grip. It's up to you whether you want to keep the angle on the rear grip or simply tape over it, but I liked the OneWheel etching, so I left it. When you're ready to cut, make sure you protect your cutting surface and practice basic blade safety. I recommend marking and cutting with the grippy side up rather than the paper backing side. You'll get a much cleaner cut around the edges. Don't forget the little cutaways for screw access. You'll definitely want to sketch out the curved edge before cutting it. I tried to eyeball it and it came out sloppy. Once your new grips are ready to go, you'll need to get rid of the old ones. I thought this was going to be the hard part, but it was actually really easy. You can soften up the adhesive with a hairdryer and the old tape peels right off. It's worth noting that you don't have to take off the foot pads to do this, although it may be smart if you plan to ride immediately afterward. I've heard the hairdryer can overheat the motor. After removing the old tape, carefully position the new tape and go over it with the hairdryer again to set the adhesive. On the sensor side, don't worry about pulling up or otherwise damaging the sensor. There's a protective layer underneath the grip tape on this side, meaning Future Motion probably expected us to do exactly what we're doing with the grip tape. That's it. I love how this came out, even though I didn't do a great job with the edges. Hopefully you can learn from my mistakes and make your OneWheel look even better. I got this My Little Pony grip tape from Enjoi, and having ridden on it since recording this footage, I can say that I'm very happy with it. Another good brand to check out is Mob Grip, which is what I put on my V1. Both grips have a solid blend of form and function, so you can look totally awesome without sacrificing the strong grip you need. Thanks for watching and float on.